with the feathers. Good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. I wanted to talk about how we can make sure Rick feels safe and included in all activities, especially since there have been some challenging in moving around the school activities and joining physical activities.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. Napansin ko lang po kasi yung anak ko, sobrang nahihirapan po sa pag-transfer sa ibang area, lalo pa pag maraming tao. So, sa napansin ko, para lang ito, maraming mga may kakulangan tulad ng mga ramp or drails, no, na para naman mabigyan ng convenient na daanan tong anak ko, kasi sa kapansanan niya po talagang nakakapanumong sana naman po mabigyan pansin ng paaralan na madagdagan yung mga rampa dito sa paaralan ito para ma-feel ng anak ko na hindi siya kakaiba sa iba.
Yes, it's really hard sometimes when my classmates go to the playground or gym. I want to join them, but I can't move outside.
That's a good plan. I also recommended using a lightweight mobility aid for longer distances. It might also help to have designated rest areas near classrooms. I can provide guidance to the teachers on how to support your physical needs without making you feel uncomfortable.
Well, that would be wonderful. Child Rick is safe and supported. Thank you so much, nurse, for considering these changes. Thank you for all the concerns as well as for your mom and the friend of Rick. Thank you so much.
At walang yung paniguro kung safe siya, pagbihin sa mga tao, sasakit siya.
Hindi ka mabalakay, kaya handang pinapabang sayaw, handang kumagastos ng transfer na doktor, kailangan na akong
Thanks. That means a lot. I feel better knowing my classmates want to help me.
That's good teamwork. Let's all work together to make sure Rick feels safe and includes all activities. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Balik ka.
That's why.
Balik ka.